Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you my dog with my sister Malika. Go subscribe to her channel. It's Roasted Marshmallows.
Poof. It won't show, obviously. But yes, let's try to make it happen.
Every person who subscribed to me or when I hit 1K, subscribe to Malika.
Yeah,
Psych!
Never subscribe. Okay, what I'm saying is, when you go on a description,
If you subscribe to her, you have to unsubscribe to
I
everybody.
commented on that. Can you press on my YouTube channel link? And not link, but my YouTube channel, just my name.
Yeah, go in my description and subscribe to Meher Kareem. No, not her. Don't subscribe to Roasted Marshmallows. Just subscribe to this channel and my mom's. Guys, I'm gonna show you Oreo now. She's a cute dog
Yup, she's a lucky
in my room. She's right there. Malika, stop touching her. We show them in her video.
If she pees in front of the camera, this is gonna be weird.
Yeah, this is gonna be the weirdest. I think she's gonna pee.
Oreo!
And if she wants to pee, she can pee in the green
Dog,
thing.
really?
She can pee and poo in here. I know if she can pee and poo.
Oh, she needs to pee or poo. Because her tail is up.
She can do it
Okay,
here.
I think she needs to poo.
She can do it here.
I think she needs to poo because her tail is up. I don't think she's gonna do it there because she's not trained. Her tail is up. I think that means she needs to
Come Oreo.
poo.
Perfect place to poo.
Come on,
Oreo.
Come on, Oreo, come on.
She's going. No, not Mama's room.
Come on, Oreo, go, go, go.
No, Oreo. Come. No, Oreo. Come.
Come, Oreo, come.
Look at her run. Malika is doing a wild goose chase. Oreo, come. It's for the video. Just
Is she actually gonna go back in
to
there?
poo.
That's a really small cage, by the way. My cousin has that, but in a bigger way.
Come Oreo. We get you your favorite balls.
Let's put Oreo
No, Malika.
in this. There's a string attached to it.
It's my Misha's.
Mine.
Look at how cute she is. Guys, I think you should subscribe right now if you haven't. Just look at her.
Oreo, come.
It's so easy to film, but the videos are really hard.
Oreo.
If we're showing it in real life,
What's Oreo?
That's
I think
really
she's
hard
figured
then.
out to place a cat because she hasn't been here at all time. So she's
I'm-
figuring
I'm-
out a place.
I'm-
Oreo.
she's trained by my dad
Oreo.
who eats ice cream. I'm kidding.
Come here, babe.
She's just finding a place.
I'm gonna
No, she can get out. She can get out whenever she
stay.
wants.
Stay.
You're going to the
Don't put it
choo-choo.
too fast.
You're
I don't
going to the choo-choo.
Oreo.
As you can see this
Should I
thing.
record for you? You can pull.
Oreo is it? No, you're a terrible recorder.
Okay, then let me pull because look at it.
Look at her. Just look at her go. Honey, she likes to bite Dad Peter.
Oreo.
Ori, no. Oreo. You need a... We can see her.
Oh, wait.
Let's introduce Oreo to Zan.
She just screamed.
Oreo! Come, girl! Come, girl, Oreo.
Come, Oreo.
Yes, I'm going.
Oreo, not up there.
Oreo, come. We've done this many times. Oreo's trained. Remember, I trained her how to do this.
Oreo, come, let's go meet Milan. Oreo.
Oreo, come, we need to meet
See, I need to start work. Okay, go
Wait.
close the door. Please close the door. Close the door, please.
Bye, your son. I'm making a video. Oh my god, look. Look at Oreo run. Bro. This is not edited. This is a real dog. Isn't that right, Oreo? Malika is a terrible filmer. So don't subscribe to her. I think she's a poo in there.
What's she doing?
Pooing.
Wait, come on.
No, she's pooing. Where's Visha? Where's Visha? Let's introduce Oreo to Visha.
Oreo's scared. She keeps going back in her cage. Oreo, come on.
Sister, where? Visha?
Stay.
Don't stay or you're coming. I got a Disney ball. You don't. Let's see if she goes for it. No. Oreo!
She got scared.
She's scared of him.
She goes into her cage.
Oreo is legit a savage. It's my birthday. To this but I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Psych. We're gonna play some Adopt Me after we show Oreo
Oh my gosh.
how
I'm
to
too.
play Adopt Me.
Never rock.
We're both playing Adopt. We're both.
So go subscribe to Shesha's YouTube channel.
My,
Zod.
shush
And
your
Kill
mouth.
Zod
I'm making a
one.
video right now.
So yeah. And go subscribe to my channel.
We're both
guys.
making a video together.
Go subscribe to my
you wanna
channel.
See, you want to see her? No, no one subscribed to her channel.
Roasted marshmallows.
She's roasted marshmallows is
So
terrible.
let's watch
No one
my
subscribed
dog.
to roasted marshmallows.
Okay.
No one. Or you're not gonna get a free snow owl.
1, 3, 2, 1.
Guys,
go.
I'm gonna whoever subscribes to this channel and comments, they're gonna get a free snow owl. But not Monica because she's too bad to have a snow owl.
Here she is. Can you look at the camera?
And if you want to win a brown bear, all you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment why do you want it and why do you need it, and comment your username down below.
So let's watch.
So yeah,
So let's do that.
so we're gonna show Oreo again. Here's a whole bunch of her.
So Oreo's a bit of tired right now.
She's very tired, and also she's
And-
scared of Malika
And when
because
she's
she
up,
hasn't seen her in a
She
year.
goes back into her cage, which is a very small cage, which my cousin has, but in a bigger that cage.
So guys, if you want to win if you want to win a frost free and a snow owl, all you have to do is like and subscribe, and with all notifications. So that if that subscribe button is red, make it gray because gray is the way. So we're gonna show Oreo a little bit more. Then we're gonna start making a video. This Oreo is just chilling. Run away because she's really scared. She's scared. Monica. Guys, I think Malika's making a video right now.
Subscribe,
Guys.
hit the notification bell and give a big thumbs up.
I think Malika's making a video right now. That was it? Your whole video was that? Your video was just, hi, like and subscribe with all notifications.
No.
Look at how unserious you are. Guys, I'm gonna do a face reveal of my whole family. Like and subscribe if you want me to play Fortnite on camera. And comment, should I or not? The people who comment no, they're gonna say like no. If half of them say yes, then we're gonna play Fortnite. So we're gonna play. I think she's making a video again.
We're gonna be playing Roblox Adopt Me.
I think she's making a video again. I'm making a video right now, so everybody subscribe to me.
him.
But don't subscribe to this channel because that is terrible. Go subscribe to
Don't
Killzod.
subscribe to him, guys. If you subscribe to him, then I'm gonna be very mad.
Yeah, if you subscribe to me, I'll give you a free snow owl and a frost free. So go
And by the
subscribe to
way,
me. She's not gonna give you anything.
they don't
if
know
you
your
subscribe.
YouTube channel name.
My YouTube channel name is Killzod.
I paused it, you idiot.
You did?
I paused the video, guys.
Subscribe to Killzod.
I paused it already.
Can? No one subscribe to her. She always pauses.
And when I keep pausing it,
Subscribe to Killzod.
I already paused it.
She's terrible. So subscribe to Killzod. Nobody subscribe to Roasted Marshmallows. That's my friend who ditched me. And cut. Monica, I think your video is getting too long. This is my channel. Subscribe to Malika, to me, subscribe to Malika, Roasted Marshmallows. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel is our main channel. Guys, Malika is so bad at the game. Like and subscribe if you want me to show my whole family. I just showed one person of my family, 2 person of my family. If you want to see 12 more people, like and subscribe. Oreo? Yes. Same? And bark. Just bark, Oreo, bark. I think we're gonna end the video after we play Adopt Me. So yeah, we're gonna play Adopt Me with Malika actually. The first time we ever played Adopt Me with that girl right there on camera. Psych, we played Adopt Me many times on camera on her videos. But just subscribe to Roasted Marshmallows and this channel. This is our main channel. Just subscribe to Roasted Marshmallows and always don't forget to subscribe to I'll give you a shout out Malika when we hit 1,000 subscribers, so I want you to have good pets. I mean good subscribers count, like 900 at least, Malika. So she's right next to me. Yo! I think we're gonna actually this is one of my first videos are like 20 minutes. Guys, do you think this is it past 20 minutes? I don't think so. So we're gonna keep on recording of Malika playing. We're gonna spy on Oreo.
Pick up the guy. Okay, so recently when I showed you how to turn it off, it was like
No maid. It's trying on no maid.
this is my room.
This is what
But do you
she's
know how I reached
actually
4,006?
making.
Even
I
though I had
know how to-
1,000? Well, it's because I deleted everything.
Go subscribe.
Every single thing.
Subscribe to
My
this
hack, I
channel.
deleted all of that already.
We're gonna make this video.
and I can't sell my house. It's
I can't
because it's a
sell
Roblox
this
house.
house
So, yeah.
because this is the only house that she has. Really.
This
This
was my
house
Xerobox, so I
is
didn't even delete
crib
it because
house.
I wasn't
It's
bothered.
just a crib house.
And then I
I'm
deleted my
gonna
hot
show
tub
you
and everything.
later. So, peace. Dun, 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 dun. Go subscribe right now. Damn. Isama. Go subscribe. Subscribe. Got you.